Train yourself. Train yourself to be a good father, a best brother. Number one, make the effort to bless and encourage the women 14 days. Write out 14 days of expressions of encouragement, blessing, and truth. Write out 14 days so that when your women, your mothers, your sisters are in their cycle, they can refer to the days and your expression of blessing over them. Take the time, make the effort to bless and encourage the women 14 days. Number two, make the effort to speak peace and refreshment over the entire human family daily with your house and your people. Lead by first blessing the women and making your no strings attached encouragement blessing for the women. 14 days of peace and refreshment. You be a good father, be a best brother. You begin to raise women who are not loaded with mistrust and all the results of rejection. One, make the effort to bless and encourage the women. Two, make the effort to speak peace and refreshment over the entire human family. From our house, we fix the world today. We bless the world today. Number three, make the effort to respect, honor, and announce the seed. The seed that comes from the man is simply where we all come from. And it is a family. It's a family reality. And if we care for the flow of the woman and the flow of the man in a respectful and cheerful way, we become closer peoples. And we can actually feel the care of the other gender over us as we're going through our stuff, the stuff of our flow. It's very valuable, it's very simple, and it was put in place long ago and was totally forgotten by the so-called teachers and elders who are leading me. Please make every effort to train yourself to be a good father and a best brother. Death is coming quickly, and all the people around you need your attention and your nurture, and you need to give it and give it well, according to the word of sweetness.